Imagine connecting to public Wi-Fi at a cafe, and someone you've never met is secretly watching your activity. Or maybe you've tried opening a website or streaming platform only to see this content is not available in your country. That's exactly why millions of people are now using VPNs every single day. But here's the real question: are VPNs actually worth it, or are they just overhyped internet tools? Let's find out. What is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it like a private tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of websites seeing your real location and internet activity directly, the VPN hides it and protects your connection. Normally, when you browse online, your internet provider can see a lot of what you do. Websites can track your location, ads follow you everywhere, and hackers on public Wi-Fi can sometimes intercept information. A VPN helps reduce that risk by encrypting your internet traffic and changing your virtual location. Why people use VPNs? 1. Privacy and security. One of the biggest reasons people use VPNs is privacy. If you're using public Wi-Fi at airports, cafes, hotels, or schools, your data can become vulnerable. A VPN adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for others to access your information. 2. Accessing geo-restricted content. Ever noticed how some movies, websites, or apps work in one country but not another? VPNs allow users to connect through servers in different countries, which can help access region-locked content. 3. Safer browsing while traveling. Some apps and services may behave differently depending on your location. Travelers often use VPNs to maintain secure access to their accounts while abroad. 4. Avoiding tracking. Companies online collect tons of data about users, what you search, what you watch, and even what you click. A VPN can help reduce some of that tracking and give users more control over their online privacy. Are VPNs perfect? Now here's something many ads won't tell you. VPNs are not magic invisibility cloaks. They improve privacy, but they don't make you completely anonymous online. Some free VPNs may even collect user data or slow down your internet speed. That's why choosing a trusted VPN provider matters. Also, using a VPN for illegal activities is still illegal. A VPN is a tool for privacy and security, not a free pass to break rules online. Free versus paid VPNs. A lot of people ask, should I use a free VPN or a paid one? Free VPNs can be okay for basic use, but they often come with limitations like slower speeds, fewer server locations, ads, or data limits. Paid VPNs usually offer stronger security, faster speeds, and better reliability. So if you're serious about online privacy, streaming, gaming, or remote work, a quality paid VPN is often the better option. At the end of the day, VPNs have become one of the most popular online privacy tools for a reason. Whether you want more security, safer browsing, or access to global content, understanding how VPNs work is becoming more important than ever. But what do you think? Do you use a VPN already, or do you think they're overrated? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.